Once you have received your license key, it is back to the marketplace to search for the second part of the subscription, the appliance. We will choose the WorkSpaces Manager appliance as shown in red. Once selected, continue to subscribe. This will bring up details about our EULA and ask you to confirm one more time. Once you've accepted terms, Continue to Configure is highlighted in orange and you are ready to go. On this next page, you will select the region in which to deploy the appliance. We recommend you install this in the region with the most workspaces, and if evenly split, where you are most likely to manage them from. Continue to launch. On this next stage, leave the values as default and click Next. On this page, there are some values required for the template deployment. Stack name is your name for the appliance. Most customers use WSM or WorkSpaces Manager. These parameters will be unique and must exist prior to the deployment. We recommend a medium or large instance type depending on the number of workspaces to manage. If you are unsure of what to choose, please reach out to a member of the WorkSpaces team for your guidance. Select an existing key pair for encryption. RDP location refers to the network segment that will be granted access to the appliance via RDP. Subname allows you to choose an existing subnet to deploy the appliance. VPC name is the value for the existing VPC. Leave the option to roll back all stack resources and click Next. Now, we create the stack. The CloudFormation template will then start creating all the necessary resources for WorkSpaces Manager, i.e. the EC2 instance, IAM policies, instant profiles, security groups, etc. Under the Resources tab, you will see the task created and the progress of each event. After a few minutes, we can refresh the stack to check all the elements are completed. This can take up to 15 minutes to finish. Upon completion, all tasks in the Resource tab will go green and listed in the Output section. We can now go to EC2 and check the instant created. Before we continue to the configuration of the appliance, it is important to take note of your private IP address, as this will be needed later for the configuration process.